So ISO Power just sent me their brand new adventure box, and they actually partnered up with YOLOtek to make this one. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as I said, I'm going to be going over the brand new ISO Power Adventure Box they have. Now if you follow me on YouTube or Instagram, you know for a long time now I've been running the Yak and Shack Power Pack. Now this is a battery box that's also from ISO Power. I've done a full review on this when it came out. This is an amazing box. This box is great for strapping to the back of your kayak. It floats, you can let rain get on it. It's a really good durable battery box for charging your batteries, running your Lowrance graph, charging GoPro batteries, your phone, whatever you need. This is a great box for it. If you want to see that review, I'll link it at the end of this video. You can check that out. This video is mainly about the newest box, the Adventure Box. So I'm going to go over everything real quick that it does, the normal things that it does, like the USB ports, the lights and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you a whole lot of new stuff that you can do with this thing because they actually partnered up with YOLOtek when they built this box. Now if you don't know what YOLOtek is, this is the YOLOtek Power Stick. This is designed to go into the back of your bass boat. So if you see, I've got a lot of footage that I get a shot from the back of my bass boat when I'm fishing, and this actually just plugs into the rear anchor light on a bass boat, and you can flip your switch on, it holds your GoPro, and it also charges your GoPro. So you can run your GoPro all day long off the back of your boat. It actually runs and charges off your boat battery, and you can just film all day up until you fill up your SD card. So you can just leave it on, not mess with it, and do your fishing, do your thing. So this is really cool. It's also telescopic, so you can extend it, lower it down, mainly built for bass boats until now. So when they built this box, they put the traditional, you've got your cigarette lighter ports, you've got your USB ports on the top, you've got flashlight on the side. Let's see, you got your charging port on the other side, the little ISO Power light. That's really cool. I've always loved that design they do on their boxes. But here's the thing that sets this one apart. A couple things actually. First, you can rock 2 batteries in this. So when you order this, you can order it with 1 battery or you can order it with 2 batteries. So it'll actually double the lifespan of your box. Or if you want to just order it with 1 battery and then buy a second battery later on down the road, it comes pre-wired, so you can literally just pop the new battery in, wire it up, and double your lifespan. So that's really cool. Also, you can keep your charger in this box. So you don't have to leave your charger at home by accident or if you're going camping or somewhere like that. But the main thing I love about this box is the rear light pole on a boat you can plug your YOLOtek up to, the anchor light. This is an anchor light off the back of a bass boat. So they've added that port to the top of the box, and what makes this box different from other boxes is that port. So if you go camping and you need a light around your campsite, or if you're just running, if you're running up to do a weekend trip somewhere and you're on the bank and there's no power, but you've got your power box, you can pick up one of these anchor lights for a bass boat. You can get these real cheap at Walmart. They sell the short ones, they sell long ones, and they also sell these are telescopic lights. So they go on the back of your bass boat and you can raise them up and lower them down. But what's really neat is you pop this thing into your power box and you flip it on. Make sure I'm plugging it in the right way. I'm trying to do it backwards. There it is. So you plug it up and boom, you've got a light. So you can set your battery box on the ground. You ain't gonna be able to see this, but I can raise this thing up here. And plug it up and you'll have an actual light at your campsite. So when you're camping, and you can get LED lights, so you could literally run this thing all night long. LED lights don't take up any power hardly at all. So you could literally just run this at your campsite and have a light all night long. So that's really cool. But here's the real thing. Here's the real kicker. And this is why I think I'm gonna love this box. Since I'm already running a YOLOtek Power Stick on the back of my bass boat, I already had one of these. So these are really cool. I'll link these in the video description as well if you wanted to try this out. All it is the GoPro mounts to the top. It's got a couple of USB ports, And when you plug this into the power, it immediately starts charging your GoPro and it runs off the battery source that's going through the stick, which is on top of your adventure box. So if you're out camping and you want to do some good footage and you don't want to lug a tripod around with you, you can literally use this as your tripod and it will charge your battery the whole time you're filming. So if you want to plug this up and set it on the ground and do like a really cool time lapse of like, I don't know, the ocean or the water, you can take this on the beach. You can take it out on a pier with you and just set it beside your seat, pop your YOLOtek into it, hit record, and you can do like a cool time lapse, or you can just film a cool trip. Get a lot of footage like this. Now, what I'm gonna use it for is when me and the family go out camping, like we're going on a trip this weekend, I like to get a lot of footage of us while we're there camping. I hate carrying around a tripod and setting a tripod up. Then also I have to go and change the GoPro batteries out randomly, you know, when they start to die from doing time-lapse pictures. So I can literally just set this next to the campsite, pop the YOLOtek in it, run the pole up, get it to the height I want it, and know that I can turn it on and it will record the whole trip while we're out there just hanging out at the camper, or if we're out in the woods, you know, with a hammock set up, I can just set this up and get some really cool shots. So that is the brand new Ice Hole Power Adventure Box. It's gonna be linked in the video description, as well as the power stick, the YOLOtek power stick, and the Yak and Shack power pack from Ice Hole Power. I'll link all three of these below. Check them out. If it's something you're interested in, just click the link and get you one. I'm gonna love this weekend. Like I said, I'm fixing to do a full weekend trip. I'm gonna pop a second battery in here, and I know that this is gonna last me all weekend long, using a light at the campground and using my YOLOtek stick to get some really cool footage of the family around the campsite. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe. I've got all kind of videos like this on my channel. So if you're new, go to my channel, my homepage, scroll through my videos, see something you like, click on it and watch it, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.